Dropshipping is a great business, but many of us don't know what dropshipping actually do and how to do it in a proper way, and what are the pros and cons. Keep watching this video to know A to Z about dropshipping and all the pros and cons that must you know before starting dropshipping. From our previous video, you know that dropshipping is basically an order fulfillment method where you do not have to store an inventory of product that you are selling. To know about detailed process about dropshipping, please pause this video here and check the I button or description box to watch the video where we explain how to do dropshipping. This is Tajdeed from 𝐿𝐸𝐸 and welcome to another brand new video. Today I am going to go over all the advantages and disadvantages of dropshipping. Before you get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel 𝐿𝐸𝐸 and press the bell icon. So grab onto your seat and let's get started. Advantage of dropshipping. Dropshipping proves to be a beneficial way to do dropshipping is much easier and much convenient than cut and dry business. But to every business model there are some advantages and disadvantages to look forward to. If you want to succeed in any type of business, you will definitely need to know the pros and cons to really focus on the area where you need to put extra effort in. So starting off with advantage of dropshipping, we have got very minimum startup cost, eliminates the expense of inventory, minimum fulfillment expense, hassle-free and risk-free. Very minimal startup cost. In traditional model for e-commerce, most of the time it requires you to start your business with some initial capital. With dropshipping business, you can eliminate some of these upfront startup costs. In turn, you can spend more time and capital on things like website design and so on. No expense of inventory. In dropshipping, you do not need to keep the inventory and it eliminates the expense of keeping the inventory. Minimum fulfillment expense. Order fulfillment is not free at all. Packaging materials like boxes and packaging materials are very costly. Dropshipping means that your suppliers and distributors do all the fulfillment for your orders, which means you do not have to worry about the order processing and cost of order fulfillment. Hassle-free. In dropshipping, you do not look forward the inventory. You just need to ask your distributor. Your distributor will do the all pick and pack. Risk-free. If you are dropshipping, your suppliers and distributors are the ones who are heavily investing the product you are selling. And if you add a new product category and your customers are not interested, you are not at risk of losing your own money. It is as simple as removing those products from your store. Now it's time for disadvantages of dropshipping. So far we have seen the pros of dropshipping. So now let's see some drawbacks as well. The drawbacks of dropshipping are follows. Inventory automation, lower profit margins, highly competitive and dependency. Inventory automation. As you do dropshipping, you always need to check the vendor website for inventory. For example, if one item has 5 inventory, so you may think that you can put quantity 2, but there might be so many competitors who sell the same price from the vendor. As a result, the stock might get stock out before you notice. In this way, if you are unable to fulfill the orders, your account might get suspended due to high rate of late shipment. This may also increase the late shipment rate of your account. It may also hamper your buy box for other items. For a solution, you can build a middleware which help you to sync the inventory. Also, there are many apps which help to sync the inventory from your vendor to your seller account. You can also find many vendors already offer you some application and tools that may also help you to automatically sync your inventory to marketplaces. Lower profit margin. The drawbacks of is that your overall profit margin are very lower. The potential to profit from customer purchase is very limited. In the long run, you can still sell some items that has high profit margin and has a good sales rank. Highly competitive. The need for very little capitals to start a dropshipping business make it very appealing to a lot of entrepreneurs. For this reason, you are likely to encounter much more competition in this area than with a more conventional and inventory dependent e-commerce model. But if you can choose items from good vendors and selected high profitable items, you can yet gain a profit. Dependency. When you have a dropshipping business, you are relying on other business and companies to help your business. Many of the suppliers and distributors you are using may have strong credibility due to years of reliable service. but you are still putting the future of your business into someone else's hands. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with your friends. If you have anything more to know regarding dropshipping, please write down your questions in the comment section. You can also click on the I button from the top right corner of this video to get more notification about dropshipping. Moreover, you can also check our website www.𝐸𝐴𝐶lips.com. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.